account, and my Purpy will run as the favorite. Gates open, that up, and racing. Master Babu draws for your lead. Joint account moving up. Henna's Gold 3A on the outside. My Purpy's by the rail. Then sneaking in is River Gold's Prying Eyes and Avon's Treasure. Past the half-mile pole, we have Henna's Gold 3A in command by about 2 lengths. Running in second, joint account by the rail is My Purpy. Then comes entry number 5, Prying Eyes. Past the last 600, Henna's Gold still leading the field. My Purpy moving up in between runners together with joint account on the outside. Prying Eyes closing in fourth. River Gulch as they turn for home. My Purpy, Henna's Gold is by the rail. Joint account is on the outside. With the last 200 meters more to run, My Purpy running at the center. Joint account now moves up to take the lead. Prying Eyes running now in second on the outside. Master Babu with the last 50 meters. It's all joint account. Prying Eyes. Then comes number 3. Master Babu 3A, Henna's Gold, My Purpy, River Gulch, and Avon's Treasure.